In this video, we're going to show you everything you need to know about the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo barbecue cook-off. We're going to show you how to get into a tent, what it looks like to get in, where to get tent tickets, all of that good stuff. Because if you don't have tent tickets, it's kind of like going to a tailgate, watching everybody party, but you can't get in. So stay tuned and listen up. So here is an example kind of a way you can buy tickets to the tents. You can get on Craigslist and you'll see there's multiple different ones. It's still kind of early in the morning. It's only 8:55 right now, so there's not too many. But if you look up the words cook-off or BBQ, and you're gonna see there's a couple of different ones. But again, this will start to get more and more and more as it gets closer to the time. Some people will tell you the name of their tent, some people won't. Totally depends. I would just keep checking. So you can look up cook-off, BBQ, cook-off with a hyphen. And that one has a little bit, only 2. So you don't have to wait to the very, very last minute to get tickets. You can actually prepare in advance. So probably a month before all of this starts, there will be the map that shows all of the tents. This is what you're looking at right now. And on the bottom of the map, it shows you the names of all the tents. If you want to do a little bit of research, go to their Facebook page, look up whoever their moderator is, send them a message and see if you can offer them a sponsorship, which essentially is you saying like, I'd like to see what your sponsorship packages are. And they're going to probably say, I can give you a ticket for Thursday night for $75, Friday night for $50, something like that. They can't and probably won't say that they're going to sell you passes or sell you wristbands because it's all a nonprofit and it's all based on sponsorship. So sponsorship, in quotes, is the key to getting tickets. You might also want to think about lodging because a lot of the hotels fill up really quickly around rodeo season. We got an Airbnb this time and it's been great, and we can walk to and from our Airbnb to all the tents. It's way easier than taking the Metro rail and so much cheaper than taking an Uber. I think it was around $200 for Airbnb, and an Uber just to get home one way was like $75. So because traffic is so bad, you might as well stay close. Welcome to the Houston, what is this called? World Championship Cook-Off, barbecue cook-off. So Rodeo, you'll see that we have our season passes here. They are $35 each
for the ground.
Yeah, $35 each for 2 nights because we're gonna be here Friday and Saturday. So you'll see right behind us there is this metal building, and we ordered our tickets online, so that allowed us to go ahead and pick them up when we got here. So that was really cool. And they come in these hard plastic, so she's gonna slap them in her purse once we get through security. We'll show you guys around security just so you have. When you walk in, there's probably, I don't know, 200 tents, and there's a map. So Z's gonna show you how to find your place on the map. She's our logistics queen here.
I hope so.
All right, let's go. All right, babe, you ready?
Okay, I can't see that far.
All right.
We need to figure out where we're at. Why don't you explain it?
All right, babe. What ticket? Which one are we? 403, right?
Yeah.
Where is that? All right. So we are here. We gotta walk up 1, 2,
And then go right.
and then head right.
So which one? Where's Linda?
Next to us.
We're right here.
402.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Right up there on the left.
Where's Linda?
So lots of tents everywhere. So you're just gonna keep walking and keep walking, and then hopefully we find it.
I'm gonna turn right.
So there's all kinds of booths Everybody's got a different one.
Hey, so we got food dinner
Oh, we just skimmed.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
We're Steelers.
Y'all are cute. We still want to give you your
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long did it take you to untangle?
Oh my God. And they're still getting tangled.
Right? Hey, baby, hold this so I can put it on my
First job
head.
ever.
Move. Can I have one? Can you give me the same thing? Oh, yeah. She's doing it the right way.
Do not use your fingers.
So we're gonna have to show you what food looks like here at Rodeo. So give us just a second and you're gonna be surprised.
I hope this video was helpful and you get to enjoy your time at the cook-off. Remember, it's all you can eat and all you can drink. Have a blast.